It's been 1 month since we recorded.
It's been 1 month?
It's been 1 month.
What the hell? Hey everyone, this is Soma, you know, Mari.
And this is JB.
And this is our first kind of like mini vlog video. We're actually going to be building a desk, and I'm going to share with you guys basically our new setup. Let's get straight into the video.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so first thing we gotta do is build the drawer.
Oh yeah. Let's clear it.
You know?
What are you doing? Let's go.
Got the knife ready. Shout out to Wind River Outfitting Company. You know, you can sponsor us whenever. Anyone can sponsor us, even Nesty. So feel free to do so. And we're gonna open the drawer now. Let's get it.
Wait. Oh shoot!
What do you mean?
We have to build it.
Yeah, we have to build it.
You stupid.
Oh man,
Oh shoot!
you gotta build it.
Oh, oh shoot!
Okay, let's spread the parts first.
Spread the parts. Wait, it's white? We ordered it in
You ordered
green.
the white one. We didn't get the turquoise. It was out of stock.
Oh yeah.
Here. I thought this was metal.
It's not metal.
I
man.
thought it was metal.
It's wood, bro.
They actually scammed them.
It's not a scam. Just a noob.
Okay, we have to put it this way. Put it this way.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh shoot! It's gonna take a while. No screws, no nothing.
No. It's
Oh my god! Look at this. There's so much stuff, bro.
Okay, put it under the cardboard. Ah.
Bro, there's more.
Yeah.
You got destroyed, man.
I thought. You know what I thought?
Put another one.
You know what I thought?
What?
I thought we're just gonna put like this, like that.
You stupid.
Nah, man. Gotta assemble it.
Okay.
That's how you get destroyed. Holy crap!
Okay, let's start.
Yo, look at this. Holy crap. It's a lot harder than I thought. Just chilling over here. We're gonna build this thing. And yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is gonna take a long time, so we're just gonna time lapse it and then
Yeah.
show you the end result.
We'll see you guys when we finish it.
Yeah, just the drawer though, yeah. Alright. Alright guys, screw it. We're just gonna record it.
Yep. This is kind of funny. So yeah.
Okay. Alright. So we basically I'll just show you guys. So the time lapse is short, I know. But like this is what we have so far. We just put the slidey thing and screwed it in.
Yep. We're on step.
Then
3.
we got. Right guys, our parents called us, but we're back. Let's get started again. So where are we at?
We're on step 5.
Step 5? Oh yeah. Pretty good, pretty
Let me
good.
see how you put it. How do you put it in?
Okay, yeah, pretty good. Alright guys, it's my dad right here. Come here. Come in the camera. Go, yeah. See, what do you mean screw it in? It just pushes in.
Screw it in. Okay, you push it in then. Go push it in. Push it in.
Like this, right? Like that?
Those
Yep.
are very fragile wood, okay?
Yeah, I know. It's
Here.
actually really weak.
Here.
I know. Okay, are you ready?
Wait.
Which is top and bottom.
Are you in?
No,
I'm
it's
in
both.
now.
What do you mean you're in now?
You have to put your hole in. Are you in?
Okay, I'm in.
Okay.
Okay, go down. Go down.
Wait.
Wait, you're not even relaxed.
I'm in.
Okay, we're gonna go push it now. Go, there we
So
go.
how will you connect these two together?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
You don't connect it together. That's why it's weak. No, but you don't connect it together.
I think it will connect together.
Oh,
I think
you're
it
gonna
will
break
connect.
it.
Pull it out.
I think we did it wrong.
You gotta put it the other way?
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna stick it out.
Okay.
Put it back.
No, it's okay. Just
What are
leave
you
that one.
doing?
We have to do it this way, remember?
Why are you putting it there? You can do it like this. You already taught you to.
Why are you giving yourself a hard time?
Yeah.
What's the matter with you boys?
Did we not screw it in enough or something? Oh, how'd you do that?
Meron. Basta meron, do.
We're on to the next step.
This thing are still not together.
Oh, yeah, it's fragile. I know.
These are not lock.
It's fine,
Okay, look at it. Give me that. Give me one screw. So this guy is like this, right? So square it with that, like that. Kaboom,
Yeah.
right?
What's this?
Then to lock it, it's just gonna go like that. See? Then it's locked.
Next step.
Um,
Thing again. Get the
this
the long one.
long one,
Yeah.
the big one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the big one. This one, right?
Yeah.
No, where's the hole?
No, the long nails. We're gonna do this one again.
So why when I lifted this up, you said yeah? The other cardboard is higher.
You ready?
Should be good though. Okay, are you ready?
Bro, this drawer's ass.
I don't know how this is $99.
IKEA.
Hashtag IKEA.
Sponsor
Sucks. I get why they say IKEA furniture is like for moving. It sucks.
See what we're doing?
So that's what we have so far. We added the locking stuff, whatever it's called. Ooh.
Okay, now it's this one.
Let's do an aerial first.
Okay, now it's this one.
I failed.
Stop one now.
It's anyway. Yeah, see. Okay,
You in?
you win. I am in.
I'm in.
You're in.
Yeah.
Okay, go down.
Go.
Okay.
This desk is ass.
It's not even a desk, the drawer.
No, it's 5 stars.
Yeah, 5 stars.
IKEA. Sponsor us.
Sponsor you.
Yeah.
This one actually.
See, I can hear it when I screw it in.
Because this
When I
one
screw it in, I
shreds.
can hear.
This.
When I screw it in, I can hear the wood like.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Okay, next. Bro, this drawer sucks.
It does suck. We should just got it
No,
assembled.
it doesn't suck. This is actually a good drawer.
Yeah, it's a good drawer. IKEA sponsor us.
I like it.
Go get the planks. Get the planks.
What? What
The
planks?
wood, the wood.
This is a plank.
The wood, man. The stubs.
This is a wood.
The stubs.
Oh, the stops. Yeah, I like it.
Let's go, man. Sirs.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay, that's good. Oh wow. Yeah, this is actually ass. No, I can't sponsor it. Yeah.
It's not. It's not.
It's
5
not.
stars.
It's actually good. IKEA. Anyone wants
Send
to
us
sponsor
another
us?
desk to
Yeah,
build.
Yeah, we'll build all your desks. In fact, I might work at IKEA, so accept my resume.
Okay,
So which goes in the front?
like this. No, it goes the other way. It goes the other way.
Like this.
No. That way.
This
That way.
thing down. Oh, well, it's a guillotine, man. Shirts in. Buddies.
Bro, look at how small this drawer is.
Yeah, it's actually really small.
It's not small. It's very spacious.
Yeah.
We have to do this 3 more times.
Oh my god.
We have to
Bro,
do this 3 times.
We didn't even start on the desk yet, and it's been like Oh my god. Okay, make sure it's on thing. Can you do it?
Yep.
Oh my god! Oh, what? It's bending. It's bending.
What?
It's bending.
What?
Hey! Let's go, players! Let's go! Okay, that's
I
enough.
have to make 2 more.
Freaking go, buddies.
Fuck, I broke it.
What are you doing, man? This is $99.
I know, man. This is overpriced.
This is actually over. No, it's not overpriced.
It's not overpriced.
Yeah,
It's actually worth it.
IKEA, like, just sponsor us, man. There's no point in waiting, yeah? Because once you sponsor us, we will become popular.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, hashtag IKEA sponsor us.
And we will become popular when you sponsor us.
Yeah. That's what I just said. See, I'm like... Oh, I did it the wrong way. It's the wrong way. Remember, it's supposed to be on the inside. Look, this. Remember, it's supposed to be in the inside. Yeah. What are you talking
What
about?
are you talking about?
Look, we got the first drawer. See?
This is yours. That's mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So give me that one.
Okay, give me that one.
Since the time I left, just the first drawer.
Yeah.
I think you need lights.
Yep.
We have the RGB.
Yep. That's why we bought the RGB lights.
We have the RGB
Ah.
at Marshalls.
Yep. RGB lights sponsor us.
Yep. Let me see the brand. Wait, where's the brand? Let me get that out right now. Alright, guys. So the RGB lights right here. So Mercury Innovations. Mercury Innovations. Sponsor us, man. Sponsor us. Okay?
Okay.
Sponsor us. I drink my water. Hashtag stay hydrated first. Quick break. Oh! Real Canadian spring water. Sponsor us too. I don't want to stop myself again. Are we in frame? Yes, we are in frame.
Okay.
Go. Next one.
Next one.
Speed run,
Other
speed
side.
run, speed run.
Go.
Ah! Ooh.
You in?
Yeah, ready, go. You ready? Hey! Drawer 2.
Don't put anything heavy stuff in there.
Yeah, we can't
Yes.
put anything heavy.
This is actually weak. Oh no. It's not weak. It's
Yeah.
IKEA.
Pretty durable and strong.
Very durable. Yeah. Just like that.
Just like that. Okay.
Okay. Put the white stuff.
The white stuff. Just like that. Just like that.
Just like that. Go to
Just
Ram.
like that.
Go to Ramsey. Sponsor us.
I'm gonna boil the egg now.
Everyone sponsor us, man. Yeah, that's 30.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Put it in.
Put it in.
Okay. Are you in?
I'm in.
Okay, go. Hey, third drawer! Last drawer! Okay, keep going.
Yep. That's good.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, next. Okay. Yo! It broke!
Bro?
Why are you laughing at me?
Hey, bro?
Oh, I'm too heavy, man. So you wanna come in the video, Mom? Daddy came in the video. Let's introduce my mom now. Guys, this is my mom. So
guys, as you can see, we just finished the drawer. We're gonna show everything all together in a nice B-roll for you guys.
Yeah.
When we finish.
yeah, when we finish. But actually
Yeah.
we ran out of memory and the recording stopped. But like
But
yeah,
as
the
you
desk
see,
now.
It was just the last drawer we need to fix, and there we go.
Yeah, there we go. And
There we
now we're gonna
We're gonna build the rest of the desk.
yeah
So stay tuned. Yeah.
we'll show you at the end. Okay, all right, guys.
Let's open this up.
I'm gonna open this up. This The big moments. Oh. Oh, baby! Looking like a baby. Like an animal.
Look at my feet, baby. Look like I have 4 feet. Like an animal.
Yeah, this is heavy.
heavy.
Hadouken!
Hey, wait.
Pull it out.
Pull yours out too.
Pull the box. Pull the box. Oh, I got it. Tony, take out the box now. Take out the box now, Tony. Don't drop it.
I'm not gonna drop it.
Okay.
No, take out the box.
What do you mean take it out?
Just throw it out. Throw it out.
So you gotta screw it from, flip it the other way.
Okay, go on that side. Put the OLOV down. What are you holding the OLOV for?
I like holding the old
Move to Alex.
Look at this, guys. Hadouken! Oi! Oi! We do a quick,
Alex will not hold this. I'm really serious. Let me see.
quick flips.
I don't know if the Alex can hold that.
It will hold it, man. Ha! What the
Can
hell?
you hold it? What if you're in the middle? Can you hold it like that?
Yeah?
No, you can't.
Bro, that's a non-living thing, man.
Okay, wait. Let me check. Let me check the height.
Daddy, let's go. Alright, guys, we're gonna go on a quick intermission.
What the hell?
Yeah, this,
for
you
real?
know, as you know, it's Lumari.
How do you do this?
Intermission, peace. Yes! Let's go!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all be